Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Nurlaini Asmira binti Asri, metric number 2200489. Today, I would like to talk about the causes of global warming. Global warming is a phenomenon of a gradual increase in the temperature near the Earth's surface. This phenomenon has been observed over the past 1 or 2 centuries. This change has disturbed the climatic pattern of the Earth. However, the concept of global warming is quite controversial, but the scientists have provided relevant data in support of the fact that the temperature of the Earth is rising constantly. There are several causes of global warming, which have negative effects on humans, plants, and animals. These causes may be natural or might be the outcome of human activities. In order to curb the issues, it is very important to understand the negative impacts of global warming. First causes that effect to the global warming was water vapor. Water vapor is the most potent of the greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere, but its behavior is fundamentally different from that of the other greenhouse gases. The primary role of water vapor is not as a direct agent of radiative forcing, but rather as a climate feedback, that is, as a response within the climate system that influences the system's continued activity. This distinction arises from the fact that the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere cannot, in general, be directly modified by human behavior, but is instead set by air temperatures. The warmer the surface, the greater the evaporation rate of water from the surface. As a result, increased evaporation leads to a greater concentration of water vapor in the lower atmosphere capable of absorbing long-wave radiation and emitting it downward. Next, causes from the global warming was loss of natural habitat. A global shift in the climate leads to the loss of habitats of several plants and animals. In this case, the animals need to migrate from their natural habitat, and many of them even become extinct. Each species evolved to thrive in its own particular ecological niche to live in a particular home with specific living conditions, including temperature range and other plants and animal species. Some species are more adaptable than others. For examples, rat and dog can survive under many different conditions, but koala can only live when there is eucalyptus, and pandas when there are bamboo. Human-caused climate change will alter temperature, precipitation, and sea level, that wiping out some habitats and shifting others faster than many species can migrate. The conclusion confirms that global warming is the major challenge for our global society. There is a very little doubt that global warming will change our climate in the next century. So, what are the solutions to the global warming? First, there must be an international political solution. Second, funding for developing cheap and clean energy production must be increased, as all economic development is based on increasing energy usage. We must not pin all our hopes on global politics and clean energy technology. So, we must prepare for the worst and adapt. If implemented now, a lot of the costs and damage that could be caused by changing climate can be mitigated. That's all from me. Thank you.